met Agha Sahab in 1985, and that was my period when I left Bank of America, my own previous job, and I went over to Lytton Hall, where the principal office was located, and first I met Sohail Naqvi and Amir Siddiqui, and thereafter I was asked to meet the president, who was Agha Hasan Abdi. I heard about him, he was a wonderful man, I knew it, but I had never had the opportunity to meet him one-to-one basis. Anyway, interview was arranged with him, and he was, I think, on the same night leaving for India. But he gave me about 10 minutes, and when I went to his room, he said, my preference will be that I speak to you in Urdu. I said, fine. Perhaps he knew that Belgaum is the name, and Belgaum is in UP, and therefore he thought he must be fluent Urdu. I said, fine sir, why not? आप उर्दू में बात करें. खैर, then कहने लगे कि आप जा रहे हैं, you are going to Panama in South America, and what I want you to do, please look after your children, their education, and then you take a best apartment, because your position in South America is going to be very centralized position in Panama, and that's our very major profit center. That's all. And then he said, okay, I have very short time at my disposal, but I want to do a lot. And if you can help me, if you and your colleague, friends can help me, please do so. And I will come to Panama and see you personally, and see your family, your settled. He has not spoken to me about his profit, about deposit, about loans, or about geographical condition of that country, of that region, but simply my personal life. And that was my first introduction to him, or first meeting with him.
But later you had more meetings with him?
I did not have more meetings, let me tell you. I had meetings through various conferences, which BCI was famous of, having in different cities in Europe. So one, I think I remember Luxembourg. And yes, Luxembourg, the meeting started about 10 o'clock. I don't know if Rasa was there, but I do remember that it started. And then, I mean, I was just fascinated by his personality. Exactly right time he reached there, and the audience was just, pin drop silent. And there were 300 or 400 people, all from BCI, different all over the world. And then he sat down. A lady came to him and asked for tea, and then tea was offered to him. He very generously thanked the lady. Mrs. Haq, I think, was the name. And then the people sitting next to me and started talking to about the way he dressed, the way he is saying. And then suddenly I noticed that he looked at the audience, and then he said, Mr. Ghosh, you please move from there and you sit there. And Mr. Rahman, I don't know the name, but I'm just Mr. Rahman, you please go and sit there. He wanted some people, those who can talk and speak. He was very interested in conversation. That was his interest, and he knew that these are the people, Ghosh and Chatterjees and Banerjees, were very close to him. Then he moved the people from different places and sat down, and then the meeting was started. That meeting continued, and honest to God, the gentleman, I think it was about 11:30, and there was nobody, everybody listening to him, talking to him, and different philosophy. To me, I mean, it was a completely different thing. That instead of talking about balance sheet, accounts, this and that, what you have done, what your region have done, nothing of that sort. Philosophy, givings, these all things. जो मेरी समझ में नहीं आ रहा, मैं पहले नहीं पढ़ रहा था कि क्या बात करते हैं, लेकिन उनके जो लोग ट्रेंड थे, मिस्टर सिद्दीकी, मिस्टर नकवी, मिस्टर घोष, मिस्टर बैनर्जी जो उनके साथ बैठे हुए थे, अमीर सिद्दीकी और कौन था सलीम सिद्दीकी, ये सब देखे, they were all talking on the same subject. They were good spokesmen, very good spokesmen. So they all spoke, and suddenly the rain started, and I think that the hotel had some tin top or whatever, so that disturbed the thing. And then somebody requested, sir, now I think it's dinner time. When we moved down, then we moved out. अच्छा, आप ताज्जुब करेंगे, खाना खा के जब हम कमरे में गए, this gentleman, although he was from UP and his faith was a Muslim faith and then certain Shiaism कह लें आप उसको, nobody ever talked about or I heard about that he was supporting any community, any people. You see, there everybody was सिंधी भी थे उसमें बच्चे, पंजाब के लोग भी काफ़ी थे, यूपी के तो होते ही हैं, बिहार के भी थे, हैदराबाद दक्कन के लोग भी थे, of course all Indian, Pakistani या उर्दू speaking, but some foreigners भी थे, and they were all talking about आगा साहब, और I was amazed to see कि भाई ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, इनके पास कोई सब्जेक्ट ही नहीं है, रात के 11-12 बजे बैठे हुए हैं, थके हुए हैं, and they are talking about him. तो मैंने उनसे लोगों से कहा भी, मैंने कहा भाई ये क्या बात है, आपके पास और कुछ करने को नहीं है, आगा साहब के प्रति इतना क्यों? तो कहने लगे कि नहीं, इनकी पर्सनालिटी यही है और इन्होंने हमको यही सिखाया है, यही इन्होंने हमको ट्रेन किया है, लिहाजा हम तो इनके सभी कुछ मानते हैं. और मैंने एक बार ये कहा था कि माज़अल्लाह, तौबा, इनको BCNs ने, हम इनको BCNs कहते हैं, BCI के एम्प्लॉय हैं, हमने नाम रखा. दैट्स मी, आई एम क्रिएटर ऑफ दैट बिकॉज आई एम बैंक अमेरिकन, because of working for Bank of America for many years. So मैंने देखा, मैंने कहा साहब माज़अल्लाह उनका रुतबा ऐसा है जैसे रसूल का है, वो इतना लोग उनको मानते थे. मैंने कई मरतबा उनको देखा, बहुत करीब से भी देखा, उनका अंदाज, उनका तरीका, उनकी मोहब्बत, उनका प्यार. मैं आपको बताऊँ कि बिफोर ज्वाइनिंग BCCI, when he was in UBL and our office, Bank of America, was in the same building on the 4th floor, I used to see him and all. And people used to talk about his generosity, about his givings. So that all impressed me. And उसका रिजल्ट ये हुआ कि जब मैं वापस आया पाकिस्तान, and then हम लोग भी वापस आ गए पाकिस्तान. So I thought कि we must remember this gentleman. We must do something. Without any financial support or anything, I started a BCN group, which means former BCI employees. And every year I have a gathering with some of my friends, 4-5 लोग हैं उसमें, मिलकर के हम करते हैं, हर साल करते हैं. उसमें BCNs आते हैं, उनकी फैमिली आती है, and then we have a very nice decorum. When they speak, they talk about him, about his background, etc. So to me, I mean, he was a great man, and इसमें कोई शक नहीं है. उन्होंने बड़ी, उससे आप ये मैं बताऊँ आपको, अभी लेटली बताऊँ मैं आपको, मैं सोहेल नकवी साहब पर जाता रहता हूँ, मुलाकातें की उनसे, मुझे नहीं, उन्होंने जितने भी काम किए उसका उन्होंने ढिंढोरा नहीं पीटा, उन्होंने उसकी ड्रमिंग नहीं की. It's all quiet work, and there is a foundation here. जब मैं यहाँ काम करता था, पाकिस्तान वापस आ गया BCI में, उस फाउंडेशन में मुझे मालूम था कि मैं वॉज चीफ मैनेजर ऑफ कराची ब्रांच, तो उस पर पैसा जाता था. सारा प्रॉफिट फ्रॉम BCCI was retained here, and the money was given to a donation to a organization which was BCCI Foundation. उसमें पैसा जाता है, मुझे नहीं मालूम क्या हो रहा था. उसके बाद जब वो ख़त्म हो गई तो उसको इन्फाक फाउंडेशन का नाम दिया गया और उसको चला रहे हैं. को भूलने का कोई तरीका है ही नहीं. आगा साहब को नहीं भुलाया जा सकता, लेकिन उन्होंने इतना कुछ छोड़ा है हम लोगों के लिए, आने वाली उम्मत के लिए, कि आगा साहब इज ए अनफॉरगेटेबल मैन और he'll be remembered for time. To me कि this gentleman if it is he is worshipped, इसको लोग वर्शिप करते हैं, अब भी करते हैं, मरने के बाद भी करते हैं. उनका मरे हुए मेरे ख्याल 10-12 साल तो हो गए होंगे, लेकिन अब भी उनको बड़ा उनका ख्याल किया जाता है, बहुत ही उनकी इज्जत से नाम जाता था. अभी एक PCC में प्रोग्राम किया गया जो नथिंग टू डू विद BCCI people. It was a gathering of non-BCNs PCC में, और उनके सेक्रेटरी हैं, I forgot the name, उन्होंने किया उसका. और उन्होंने कहा कि मैंने कभी आगा साहब को देखा नहीं, पहचाना नहीं, लेकिन मैं इतना सुना है मैंने आगा साहब के बारे में कि I wanted to do this program. And then Begum Sawa Tashreef लाई, Mrs. Agha Sanadi came to that program, and the speakers were Mr. A.B. Shahid, Saleh Naqvi, Nadeem Naqvi, Umar Khan, Maqbul Hussain. These were the people. And ये लोग बैठे, इन्होंने उसका CNN के ऊपर प्रोग्राम आया और मुजाहिद ने किया. मुजाहिद जो कंपेयर करता है CNN में, उसने प्रोग्राम वो किया. And it was so wonderful program. The people spoke so high about him. Those who were non-VCians, they talked about him. They spoke about him. And said कि काश मैं उनके साथ काम कर लेता, काश उनके साथ मैंने कुछ वक्त गुजार लिया होता. तो he was a very decent person, very honest person, a honest banker. जितना भी उनका नाम लिया जाए कम है. UBL has also started a program for them because he was a UBL man. Initially Habib Bank and then UBL. He was the founder of United Bank Limited. तो उन लोग UBL के लोगों ने भी एक ग्रुप बनाया हुआ है. And they also have some function about him. He remembers him. And we also remember him. And you are also remembering him today. And similarly, there are a few other programs I'm sure will come in his to remember him. His wife lives in London. एक daughter है, उसका नाम है Maha, married to Siraj Dadabhai. They all, I think, live in London now. And his house, bank house, which is on Clifton, उसमें Zahid Qasim lives there. Zahid Qasim is his wife's brother. And I meet Zahid Qasim also sometime. He's started some business here. So he also, I mean, if I do it, he's a relation. So he always talk about very high about it. I met Begum Saba. I met at that time when BCI was at the top. But now, then somebody introduced me at that time doing so many things for me. He said, fine. She said, fine. I'll come over in your function, but she lives in London. I wonder if she will come. But I tell you, he's a great, great man. Great man. And I feel so happy that I spent some time with him in some capacity for 5-6 years. And when he died, he was sick here in Bank House. I do not remember, I do not met him at that, I did not meet him at that time, but one of my colleagues, senior colleague, very respected colleague, Basir Ahmed, SM Abdul Basir. Mr. Abdul Basir was the member of foundation, BCI Foundation. So he used to go to him for certain BCI matters. उन्होंने बताया कि आगा साहब बैठ जाते हैं और he still wants to have another bank. और इनफैक्ट सनी साहब बता रहे थे मुझे, सनी अहमद जो बहुत ही करीब थे उनके ज़माने में, सनी अहमद ने बताया मुझे कि आगा साहब आखिरी वक्त चाह रहे थे कि एक और बैंक बनाया जाए पाकिस्तान में. जब वो बैंक की इजाज़त मिल गई यहाँ 91 के बाद कुछ नए बैंक आ गए तो वो चाहते थे और शायद उस पर काम भी कुछ किया गया. तो सनी साहब कह रहे थे उनकी आखिरी ख्वाहिश यही थी कि वो फिर एक बैंक बनाए पाकिस्तान में ताकि उन लोगों को एम्प्लॉयमेंट मिले, उनको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले. और उनको आप देखिए ना जितने लोग BCI में हैं आप तो ताज्जुब करेंगे कि आज इस वक्त पाकिस्तान में और मेरा ख्याल बाहर भी BCCI है. आगा साहब ने जो शुरू की थी ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम, वो ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम का कोई जवाब नहीं है सर. दैट ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम स्टिल एग्जिस्ट. डिफरेंट बैंक. और वो जो BCI का जो सक्सेसर हैं बैंकर फला वाले, उन्होंने भी कुछ किया हुआ है, उसका कुछ कोर्सेस करा है. लेकिन वो बात जो BCI के बैच कहलाता था फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ, जैसे उसमें नहीं होता CSP ऑफिसर हमारे पाकिस्तान में कि भाई ये बैच इस साल का है, ये बैच 2 है 3 है, इसी तरीके से BCCI के बैचेस भी, और वो सब लड़के जो हैं सब मार्केट में. इनफैक्ट द बैंकिंग इंडस्ट्री इन पाकिस्तान इज नाउ बीइंग रन बाय former BCCians.